Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽修 Joseph Lin. And along with Alice, this month we're teaching you how to say congratulations. 恭喜，
恭喜，
恭喜哦！这个下个月就是新年了，要恭喜恭喜，
恭喜发财哦！
哎，对，但是呢，在整年度当中呢，其实还有其他的点呢，可能也会恭喜别人了哈。
对
There are other situations where you're going to congratulate someone, all right? For instance, a graduation.Okay, or you got your scholarship, something that have to do with school. 我们今天就教大家可能跟学校就学教育有关的一些恭喜的状况，好不好？
好。
比如说呢，毕业了 ，that's the most common one.
毕业，
毕业 that's how you say graduated or a graduation. OK, 毕业了啊。那毕业了，如果是学士毕业完了之后要念的是什么？继续研究所。Okay, if you want to further your studies after college, you get into a graduate school. 研究所。
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 那海陆腔，研究所。
研究所 Okay, that first word is a little different when you say graduate school in a different dialect. 研究所 and also means graduate school. And if you're that smart, you might have a scholarship. 如果真的这么聪明的话，有可能呢可以得到奖学金。你有没有得过？
有。
真的假的？
有。
哦，我只有我爸爸拿过奖学金。
真的吗？
对对对。So a scholarship, how do you say that?
奖学金。
奖学金 that's a scholarship. All right, let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. Now, let's say parents out there are very proud that their sons and daughters are graduating, all right? 通常这个父母会很骄傲，我儿子、我女儿已经毕业了哦，今年要毕业了。怎么说？我儿子今年毕业。
奶奶耶。
奶奶，奶就是儿子，是不是？奶奶哦，不是来啊哦，不是梨子，是儿子哦。OK？
对。
奶奶耶 that means my son.
今年毕业。
哦，今年就是今年 ，this year 毕业 graduate. All right, so let's review all these terms right here. 毕业 that's graduate, and then you have the graduate school 研究所 and then scholarship 奖学金 which Alice claims she has, but I still don't believe her. 真的吗？好，没关系，教一下奖学金。
奖学金
again, that's a scholarship. All right, it's all about congratulations. 好啦，还是恭喜你曾经拿过奖学金啦哦，恭喜恭喜 And there you go. That's this edition of Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
和子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.